2022 Porsche Taygan. Overview. The 2022 Porsche Taygan sedan isn't the perfect electric vehicle, but its combination of driving verve and performance stamina make it the most engaging one. It's also on our 2022 Editor's Choice list. With a striking appearance as well as a highly customizable and high-tech interior, Porsche's electrified four-door lives up to its premium pricing. The Taygan also does a remarkable job of reminding its pilot that they're driving a Porsche thanks to its lively steering, stoic composure, and refined ride. Stomping the accelerator is like firing a missile, except it can be done repeatedly. While its brakes are great at corralling that quickness, they lack the regenerative properties of traditional EVs and the pedal has a passive feel. There will always be comparisons to the Tesla Model S, especially with the Porsche's comparatively short estimated range, but the 2022 Taygan is unquestionably the more thrilling alternative. What's new for 2022? For 2022, Porsche makes some tweaks to the Taygan family. Joining the lineup is a new 590 horsepower GTS model that sports trim-specific details inside and out and inherits performance equipment from the top-of-the-line Taygan Turbo S. The GTS also boasts unique chassis tuning and powertrain calibration for a distinct driving personality. The infotainment system adds enhanced voice commands, an improved operating system, and Android Auto finally joins Apple CarPlay. The Taygan can also now be parked remotely via a smartphone, meaning no one actually needs to be behind the wheel. The paint palette expands, too, courtesy of Porsche's Paint to Sample program that allows customers to select personal colors, including those from classic 90s models. The 22 Taygan also benefits from better thermal management and charging functions, which Porsche says aim to reduce charging times. EV motor, power, and performance. Most Taygan models feature dual electric motors, with one powering the front wheels and the other powering the rears. They produce separate outputs that vary by trim level. The 4S generates 522 horsepower with the smaller battery and 562 horses with the bigger one. The latter comes standard on the top models, the 670 horsepower Turbo and the 750 horsepower Turbo S. The base model makes between 402 and 469 horsepower, depending on the battery size, but it's rear-wheel drive only. All Taygan models also have an innovative 2-speed transmission that provides a thrilling shift during hard acceleration. We've driven the Taygan 4S and were impressed by its prompt acceleration, hitting 60 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds, as well as its point-and-shoot handling. However, we wish it had a more responsive brake pedal, especially since Porsche chose to forego one-pedal driving. Those with a serious need for speed will be blown away by the Turbo S's rocket ship takeoffs. The version we tested hit 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 ticks and cleared the quarter-mile in 10.5 seconds at 130 miles per hour. A Model S performance with cheetah mode match that blasts to 60 miles per hour. This ferocious acceleration, along with the car's low-slung driving position and precise steering, is what makes the Porsche special among electric vehicles. And it's comfortable too. Even rolling on 21-inch wheels with narrow sidewalls, another Taygan Turbo S we drove never felt stiff or harsh. Range, charging, and battery life. The Taygan's driving range is unremarkable compared with that of the Tesla Model S, which can crest 400 miles on a charge. The Porsche's ratings range between 199 and 227 miles, depending on the battery size and electric motors. Every model features an 800-volt architecture that allows a peak charging rate of 270 kilowatts. Models with the larger battery, Porsche labels this pack 93.4 kilowatt-hours, but only 83.7 kilowatt-hours are usable, can be charged from 5 to 80% in a claimed 23 minutes. However, 800-volt DC fast chargers are rare, and peak charging rates aren't very informative, as we examined in a comparison test. Charging at a 50 kilowatt DC fast charger takes 93 minutes, according to Porsche. While 270 kilowatt and 50 kilowatt fast charging capability is standard, 150 kilowatt charging is an option. We experienced the real-world variables in charging during our 11-car, 1,000-mile EV 1000 rally. Fuel economy and real-world mph. The most efficient Taygan is rated at up to 79 mph combined. By comparison, the Tesla Model S long range is rated at 120 mph. When driven on the highway, the Porsche is rated at up to 84 mph and the Tesla is rated at up to 115 mph. We tested the Taygan 4S with a large battery on our 75 mile/hour highway route and observed 65 mph. We conducted the same test with a 2018 Model S 100D and observed 91 mph. We also saw a 2020 Taygan 4S achieve 180 miles of real-world range on our aforementioned highway test. For more information about the Taygan's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside the sleek-looking Taycan is a tech-laden environment. The design is ostensibly simple and recalls what we've seen in other Porsche models. As expected, the interior can be covered in a range of rich materials and different color schemes. There's a long list of luxury options, including 4-zone climate control, massaging front seats, a heated steering wheel, and heated rear seats. The Taycan comes standard with 2+2 seating, but there's an option to add a third spot in the back if desired. We found the electrified Porsche's rear accommodations and storage space to be a bit lacking, and we didn't enjoy having to maneuver into the low front seat. From behind the wheel, though, the view out is excellent. Infotainment and connectivity. There's no shortage of screens inside the Taycan, but there is a shortage of physical buttons and knobs. Along with a curved 16.8-inch display for the gauges, there are two centrally located touchscreens that control the infotainment system. The top one is integrated into the dash and measures 10.9 inches. It provides access to important functions. The 8.4-inch touchscreen below it enables users to adjust the climate settings, check the battery status, input navigation details, interact with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto features, and open and close the trunks and charge ports. Another 10.9-inch touchscreen is available for the front seat passenger, and there's an optional 5.9-inch touchscreen in the back seat that controls the rear HVAC and seat heating. Safety and driver assistance features. Every Taycan is equipped with standard driver assistance technology that includes forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, as well as lane departure warning and lane keeping assist. Of course, Porsche also offers more advanced tech for a price. For information about the Taycan's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS. Key safety features include: available adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go technology, available remote-controlled parking, available night vision, warranty and maintenance coverage. Porsche provides a competitive warranty plan that's comparable with what other luxury EV marques offer. However, coverage of the Taycan's electrical components is capped at 8 years or 100,000 miles, whereas Tesla offers unlimited mileage for the same amount of time. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 8 years or 100,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.